So Porkbun is an interesting domain name registrar located in the Pacific Northwest, United States of America, and in this video I want to check them out, so let's begin. What's up everybody, it's David from websitecreatorpro.com. Welcome back to the channel. So Porkbun, what a weird name for a company. A pork bun is actually like a type of snack in Asia that it's like white and has pork inside. It's pretty good, but not particularly good for you. And so I just really like Porkbun, the website, because I think they have some great prices for domain name registration, web hosting, website builders. They offer a lot of value at really good price points. In this video, I want to just take a broad look at everything they have to offer. So let's begin. So we're going to first start by taking a look at their domain name registration price. How much does it cost? How does it compare to other domain name registrars? What else do you get in addition to just registering a domain name with Porkbun? So let's begin. Welcome to porkbun.com. So yeah, this is a domain name registrar, and they offer a lot of different added value services, like free WHOIS protection, free SSL certificates, you get a free trial of web hosting, etc., and free email trial, and more. So I think they add a lot of value for an up and coming business. So anyways, to get started, all you have to do is click on sign in, and it does have a bit of a process to sign up. So for example, let's go ahead and create a new account. And then you have to just go through the process of setting up a new account. You do have to provide accurate information because of ICANN regulations. So, like whenever you register a domain name, you have to, for ICANN regulations, you have to have accurate contact information. Not a big deal. So anyways, let's take a look for a domain name. So I'll type in mysuperamazingblog.com. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so we can get a .com for $856 a year. So this $415 is one per customer first year sale, but in general you shouldn't think of it as $415, which is pretty amazing though, that you can get a domain name if you're a brand new customer for $4.15. That's crazy. But the domain name renews at $856. You can get a .net for $1054, .org for $1070. Really impressive. So anyways, let's go ahead and click on the plus sign. Okay, and let's go ahead and check out. And there we go. Okay, so our registration is for $856. That's great. And obviously, like all domain name registers, you can register for up to 10 years in advance. Okay, so let's go here. Let's just do 3 years, for example. All right. And now what do we get? Comes free with every domain name: WHOIS protection, site builder, web hosting trial, email trial, quick connect, SSL certificate. Pretty impressive. So anyways, once you create an account, you can just go through this process and then add a domain name to your account, and then that's it. Click on continue and you should be good to go, and then submit payment. Okay, so once you go through the process of creating an account and registering a domain name, this is what you're going to be looking at every time you log into your Porkbun account. It's just going to have a nice domain name management system. I really like it. It's very clean and simple and easy to navigate. We can add a website, add an email, renew, lock our domain name, or unlock if we want to move it to a different domain name register. WHOIS protection. We can add our domain name to the market if we want to sell it. We can click over here and go to details, and then we have a lot more specific, like technical details related to the domain name that I really like. And then over here, we can just register a new domain name if we want. And that's it. Okay, and you also can come to bulk search, and so you can just list out different domain names that you want to register right here. And so Porkbun will come back to see if they're available. Click search, and then bulk search will just quickly tell me if any of these domain names are available. So it's really helpful. So something I do like about Namecheap is that they do have their beast mode, which is a little bit better, which provides a lot more detail over the type of domain name that you want to look for. But I do like this simple bulk feature where we can just search for up to 100 domain names at a time, which is pretty good and pretty helpful. So overall, I'm pretty happy with Porkbun. I think it is a very clean interface and very easy to navigate. And the prices, you can't beat $8 and something cents to register a domain name, specifically a .com. I think that's a fantastic price point. Okay, so now let's take a look at what Porkbun has to offer with regards to web hosting. Something that I actually really like is that they do offer a completely free plan. Now the catch is that you have to have ads displayed and you have to have Porkbun branding, but if you want to have a WordPress website completely for free, you can do so with Porkbun. In general, I suggest going with Google Sites or Blogger if you're dead set on having some type of like free web host, or even going with like hostinger.com because you can get like a 4-year plan for like $1 a month with Hostinger. But it's really cool and interesting that Porkbun does at least offer some type of like free option to set up a WordPress powered website. So let's just take a broad look to see what Porkbun has to offer with regards to web hosting. Web hosting. So we can either go to products and go to web hosting, or you can click on this link right down here where it says website. So let me go ahead and click on that. Okay, so these are the different options that they have for web hosting. So you can get a site builder, and they are partnered with Weebly, and you get a free 3-month trial, and then it's as low as $3 a month. The $3 a month plan is usually just like you could just connect your domain name to Weebly and you can't get much traffic. Easy WordPress is as low as $10, and then 15-day free trial. And then they have static hosting and cPanel. So most of you, I think, are going to be probably interested in either the site builder with Weebly or easy WordPress. I'm kind of curious about WordPress, so let me go ahead and open this up in a new tab. Okay, so now we come down here. They have a bunch of different plans that are really nice. So choose a plan that's right for you. You get unlimited, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, WordPress performance enhancements, hundreds of themes available, selection of whitelisted plugins, updates, security, easy switch between plans, etc. Okay, so anyways, right down here, this is really nice. So they have completely free WordPress, ad-supported, Porkbun branded favicon, which means you'll have this on your website, and powered by Porkbun in the footer. And you get disk space of 5 gigabytes. But like if you just wanted to launch a WordPress website, and you just want a free way, and you don't want to use something like Hostinger's 000 web host, which I personally would recommend over this, because you can get a website that's like 20 visitors a day with 000 web host. But Porkbun offers, at least they offer a plan. So anyways, let's go here. We can click on this start trial. All right, so there we go. So it's really that simple. Okay, so we have created an admin user for you. Before leaving this page, make sure you have your username and password, as this will be the last time we display them. So the username is admin, and then let's take a look at the password, and here is the password. So if you're going to do this, make sure to take the password as appropriate. Then we can just click over here, and that is it. It's that simple. So let me go here, admin, then we put in the password, boom. Okay, let's go ahead and log in. All right, it was that simple. That's how easy it is with Porkbun. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a quick look. Okay, so we have, so powered by Porkbun there. All right, and this WordPress site is powered by Porkbun. But really, it's that simple. Okay, so if you want to like register a domain name with Porkbun, this is literally that simple. About just like, all right, launch the free website. There you go. Okay, so now status is live, site password, SSL, pending, plan, backups. Really impressive. Okay, that was super duper simple and easy. Now the SSL certificate is still pending, so if you have an issue, obviously just wait a bit and then contact them. Obviously this is not like a long-term solution, but if you just want to like jump into WordPress, try something out, etc., or just you want to set up a quick little WordPress website and you're okay with this kind of thing being powered by Porkbun, let's just open up a blog post to see how this looks. Yeah, okay, so we're kind of stuck with this powered by. This looks a little bit weird at the top, so yeah, it's not really a usable solution, but that was super simple to get this website set up. So anyways, let's back out of this and let's back out. Okay, so now they said it's easy to switch between plans, and so right here I like this information, but see, for example, like how do I switch plans? This is probably the only criticism I would have, because like for example, what if I wanted to switch this? So it's like, what do I do? Okay, so I have to go here to cancel service. There we go. Yes, cancel my subscription. Let's see how that works. And okay, the web host for this domain name is currently quoted for retirement. The process usually takes a few minutes. Okay, so if there's an issue, then I would just contact support. So they really lived up to the title of that. You can be up and running in seconds. That was absolutely true. So anyways, they have starter monthly, starter yearly, pro, and pro yearly. Obviously, if most of you would probably be interested in just getting a yearly hosting package, that's generally what I recommend. You get the best price points with a web host by registering for 1 to 3 years in advance. And obviously, you can just start the free trial and look at what the details that you get specifically. Obviously, I would suggest most just start with this one. Start yearly if you have a brand new website. free 15-day trial, and then it's $120 a year. And functionally, that's $10 a month. Now, there's other web hosts like Bluehost, for example, where you get like a little bit more of a discount up front. So you gotta shop around a little bit. In general, I don't recommend going with the domain name Registrar and their hosting package. I usually like to keep my services separate. That's just me. But it's totally up to you. And I think what's really compelling, again, is this free WordPress option. Like, that just took a minute to get set up. So anyways, that's the web hosting options from Porkbun. Website builders. So like most domain name registrars and web hosts, Porkbun does have a website builder, but unfortunately it's not like their own internally built website builder. So like, for example, like namehero.com has their own hero builder, which is pretty good. I would say like Bluehost actually has a dedicated website builder that they offer that's actually pretty amazing that you can check out, because I have another tutorial video on this channel. Now, Porkbun has some type of like partnership with Weebly. So anyways, in this section, I want to take a broad look to see how the website builder works and what you get. So let's continue. The website builder with Porkbun. So we come down here, they have site builder, and they say, we've partnered with Weebly to bring you a powerful website builder that allows you to blah, 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 blah. Okay, so anyways, so if you click on this continue, you navigate to this page right here. Our website builder, powered by Weebly, lets you create professional dynamic sites, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so anyways, they have basic, starter, pro, business, and performance. And so let's just take a quick look and compare their price points compared to actually Weebly's price points. So Weebly has free, basic use, and so that means like with Weebly you can just sign up and create just a basic website that's going to be a subdomain of Weebly, like yourwebsite.weebly.com. Now you can connect a domain name, and so that allows you to just pay $5 annually, and you can have like, websitecreatorpro.com, but it's powered by Weebly. But again, pay attention to the limitations right here. You have to kind of come down here and just make sure like you understand what you're getting right here. So 500 megabytes of storage, that's okay. But what's more important is like the bandwidth. And so that's something I don't like about Weebly. Like it doesn't tell me anything I need to know. For example, we have e-commerce, we have marketing, support, but like what's the bandwidth? Like how do I, for example, like Wix, you can connect a domain name, but Wix limits the bandwidth so much so that's like it just functionally makes it kind of useless, the connect feature with Wix. And so I'm curious if like Weebly is the same. So if I click here, click on select. All right, Weebly, this is not working. I'm clicking select. Okay. I give up. All right, so let's go back to Porkbun. All right, so now we have their starter, which is $8 a month, but I'm really interested in their basic. That's free for 3 months and then $3 a month billed yearly, like $3 a month, really. So let's take a quick look. All right, so we have drag and drop builder, unlimited pages, SSL certificate. You only get email supports. Okay, and now we come down here. You can have up to 5 products, 3% transaction fee. So, again, my main issue is like, what is the bandwidth? That's what I want to know. How much traffic can I get to my site before you force me to upgrade my account? So Weebly, I can't even click the select button. It's not even working. And then with this, I don't know, but like, let's start the trial right here. Okay, by continue, we will redirect you to our site builder powered by Weebly. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. All right, says hold my buttons. Okay. All right, so now we are officially on porkbun.weeblycloud.com/onboarding. So, okay, so I'm going through the onboarding process to set up my site. All right, didn't find a theme you like, view more. All right, I'll just pick a theme right here. All right, so I like this one. Very classic look. Okay, let's go. That looks fine. Okay, let's click on close. Oh, okay, so let me click on this. I guess I have to start editing. All right, so now I'm in Weebly. That's being powered by basically Porkbun Weebly combination. So we got the Porkbun branding there. This is functionally Weebly. Let me go ahead and click on publish. Okay, so now I'm getting an error message saying that there is an error publishing your site. The publishing credentials are not valid. Please contact support. Okay, so either one issue is going on in that because I started the free trial for the WordPress, maybe the name servers for that domain name are set up for, I don't know what's going on. So it could be that, could be something else. And so a little disappointing that I can't publish the website because of what I want to see is it going to be the domain name that I have right here. For example, like this is cupsandcakecoffee.com. I want cupsandcakecoffee.com. I don't want porkbun.weeblycloud. And so this is a little bit strange, a little bit clunky, like what's going on? And now it's like I have to contact support. And so again, that's just disappointing. I got to sit here and click on help and be like, hey, I'm doing the basic. I'm trying to launch my sites and it's not working. And so now I'm using the plan, but I got 3 months. So, hopefully something, okay, your domain is still pending. This usually takes less than a couple of minutes. Okay, if you see this message after waiting, please contact support. Okay, let me just load this. Okay, there we go. All right, let me click on continue building. All right, let's do this. All right, so now I'm looking at the basic plan. Okay, good. Okay, so it is cupsandcakecoffee.com/basic. Okay, so let me go to edit site. And let me go to publish. All right, fantastic. All right, so now it's working. All right, so let's go check out our Weebly powered website. Okay, great. So that was very quick and easy. Okay, so now we got Cups and Cake Coffee. There's no SSL certificate, and it's a little bit weird that it's index.html. Like, no, how do I make it .com? Let's back out of that. Okay, so now it's redirecting me to index.html. So, quite happy. Very easy. Weebly is a great website builder. Very like this looks great. And so I can just jump in here and quickly edit this quickly and easily. 2 things I would need to contact support about. One was previously, again, setting up the domain name, had that little bit of an issue publishing the website. 2, which resolved itself, by the way. I just waited just a minute more to fix itself. But I would need to contact support about, like, there's no SSL certificate, and why is it index? I don't want it to be index.html. So how do I fix that? So that's the only thing I would, again, I have to come back to support and, ask like, hey, how do I fix these things? Because that's kind of a deal breaker for me. No SSL certificate. I'm sure that'll get reserved. That usually takes a little bit of time. If it doesn't get resolved, support can always help you with that. But this index.html thing, that has got to go. And if that can't be removed and you're just stuck with that, I'm not happy about that. But overall, though, the fact that you can just set up a Weebly powered website with Porkbun just by clicking a button over here, and then it renews at $3 a month. That is a pretty good deal, because you do get quite a few things. Drag and drop builder, unlimited pages, for example, which I really like to go. But otherwise, a pretty good experience getting set up with the website builder from Porkbun. So in this section, it's going to be sort of like a miscellaneous section where I'm going to be including like support, their affiliate program, refunds, merchandise, just any other random thing that I like and dislike about Porkbun. So let's get started. Bun extras. So let's get to it. So first things first with the support. Their support is okay, but it works in 2 ways, where they have like a resource guide and then they have this ask function. Now their support is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time in the United States. And so it could be a little bit annoying, because like you have a job, you come home at 6 or 7, and there's an issue or something. They'll get back to you the next day, so to speak. So it's not 24/7 support, so don't go in expecting that. But their support is helpful. They do get back to you in a reasonable amount of time. Now they do have their own dedicated marketplace, which is really cool. So if we click on this right here, so we can sell a domain name that we register on Porkbun, and we can just sell it within their marketplace. We have to price it at a $20 minimum up to $10,000, and Porkbun does charge a 7% flat fee. So for example, if I go ahead and list like cupsandcakecoffee.com for $100, it sells. I have to pay $7 to Porkbun for that. Okay, anyways, now let's check out their email over here. So they do provide email forwarding, and they also have dedicated email hosting if you want to check it out. So email forwarding, why would you want to do this? Again, I have other tutorial videos on this channel, but like you want to set up email forwarding because then you could use Gmail to check a professional email, if that makes any sense. So again, I have other videos on this if you want to know how to do that, but you could set up right here like hello@cupsandcakecoffee.com. It gets sent to a Gmail account. Then within Gmail, you can set it up to reply back as the professional email as an alias. That's why you'd want to do that. Now, if you want to have like some type of like more secure, dedicated solution, they do provide email hosting, and it's only $2 a month. And it's pretty good. Okay, that's not bad. $2 a month. You get a 10 gigabytes of storage, email forwarding, customer support. Okay, send and receive email, webmail. Really simple, easy to use, straightforward email hosting. at a great price, $2 a month per inbox. So what that means is like per email. Okay, so like hello@cupsandcakecoffee.com. That would be one inbox. If that makes any sense. Okay, and then we take a look at their products, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so they got email, web hosting, email forwarding, and then obviously they sell Porkbun merchandise, I guess, if you want to check this out. Okay, I mean, some of these are pretty funny. That's pretty much it. Okay, so overall, I like Porkbun because they just have some great price points, and they offer a lot of like just unique things, like that free WordPress web hosting website that I was able to set up literally in a minute right in front of you. The Weebly website builder integration is pretty nice. The email is good, their own dedicated market. The domain name actually just costs $8 and renews at like $8 and something cents a month. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with Porkbun. I'm not sure why they are not more popular, but they are a fantastic domain name registrar and a great alternative to something like GoDaddy, etc. So anyways, that is it for Porkbun. Alright everybody, that is it for this video on Porkbun. So I just want to emphasize that this video was not sponsored in any way. I did this completely on my own with my own money. I just like Porkbun. I thought they have like really interesting price points for like domain name registration, web hosting, their website builder. I just want to check this this company out and see what they're doing, see what they're offering, see if they're any good to help you make a purchase decision. Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.